What's going on, guys? I swear, Indiana be freaking bipolar. Yesterday it was like 50, dropped down to like 20 degrees last night. Alright, here's my new axle for my 2000 S10. This axle lets me run the 14-inch rally wheels that I want to run. It also has disc brakes, and supposedly it has better gearing, so I'll get better gas mileage, but we'll see. This one's almost coming along. This one's almost done, is what I'm trying to say. This one, there's a new engine, there's a truck. Last night, me and my buddies were finally able to get the stock transmission out. If the freaking torque converter would have come off the old engine, we would have had that one sitting in there already. But it was being a little bitch. Oh, we got a freaking TV out here. Here's my new baby. This is an 88 S10. Same wheels that I like. Comes with a replacement fender. This one right here. 5-speed, which I just found out yesterday is a T5, which is about my favorite transmission ever because it's so freaking universal. Now it's not the universal model or the international model or whatever the hell they call it, but it'll take probably anything I'll reasonably stick in it. Put a tire toe in it too. Tow rig. Let's see, it's a 2.5 or a 2.8 Iron Duke. Tried to start it up last night, but we can't figure out why we're not getting power. Battery's charged up enough. It's just not doing something right. We'll figure it out. Long term, this thing's gonna get a V8. I want to go small block Chevy, but I can just find better deals on LS. I'm more familiar with LS as far as knowledge. First thing about this truck, but I've been able to find replacement panels, replacement, half panels like this. If I decide to cut this part of the bed off, mostly what I'm concerned about, of course, is that, but it seems that I can make this truck look whole for under $300 in body panel parts, including cap corners and the bottom of the door and everything. Yeah. What's nice is that supposedly this truck only has 50,000 miles original on it. It's a SAT. The interior is completely complete. You notice there's no radio. Original keys. I mean, is this thing mint? No. But supposedly it was a barn find, and I bought it from them for a couple $100. So I need to get new seals. Yeah, I gotta say, for the price I paid and everything. Oh, and this thing always had a topper too. This bed is in phenomenal shape.